So the last time he was here, he taught us how to make the most of your professional DSLR camera. But the thing is, time is constantly changing and you can actually use your smartphone to take professional looking photos. Gareth Daly, Chief Executive Officer of GD Films. My son, my little brother. What on?
Big up yourself.
Everything is everything?
Can't complain. Good morning.
Yeah, hold on there one second.
What?
Vietnam?
Hey, don't do that, man. Brought something for you. It's called a lens cloth.
Yeah, but this is a phone. I don't work with lens glass. I need to get one.
But the texture you're going to scrape up the lens.
That's why I need to get one.
Where should I pose? No, we have a model, you know. Hold on, man.
This is my show, you know.
But tell him if
That's not a good...
Nope.
Why?
Because I was moving. You didn't tell me as a talent or the model.
Hold on.
So
Pick up this. Yeah, but it's your face. I was trying to get at your hand. So what's wrong with that? Hold on. No?
Let's break it down. Let's break it down.
What is wrong with that?
All right, so there's so much distracting things in your image. I'm going to be looking at your photo and I'm saying to myself, why the camera strap that is right there, why the board is like that, why the line leaning at the background, and then we can pull it apart and say, the picture don't really
So the
make no
picture
sense.
itself don't look good?
It could have been better. You can't tell him no like that. You can't break him feelings.
How Sim get involved now? See me picture here. And I think Gareth's just a bad mind because him know the thing work.
All right, so the first thing, let's start.
Wait now. So the aim now is I must improve on this picture here.
Yes.
All right?
And at the end, when I finish, you're going to take another photo and you're going to realize that it's two totally different images.
All right. So, it's my camera. I don't just look at Sim because she are taking it and I just press the button and I take it.
No, it's not that simple. Just like, and I was talking to someone yesterday that, just like how a doctor go to university and spend 8 years in people always think that creative is something that you just get up and you just jump in it tomorrow and then you just be a star in it. In everything that you do, you have to practice, you have to train yourself, go to school for it and stuff like that. And now, because of technology, cell phone is a very important part of everyone's life, and for even camera. A lot of photographers now do street photography and it's their cell phone. Like for me, a lot of my pictures on Instagram, people think that is DSLR I use to take it. Sometimes I really don't have time to take a picture.
Right, we have some headlines here. Use natural light. That
natural light.
I use my flash non-tal.
No flash. So we're gonna be out in the sun and we're using natural light.
So what if a nighttime version?
So well, no, you can still take a photograph in the night without a flash and it still looks beautiful. So for example, you're in half a tree.
Yeah.
And you're in the middle of a tree and you have the lit sign and the big LED screens them. You would not want to place a subject in front of the screen to take the image. You'd want you as the photographer to turn your back. So therefore you're using a light which is available light of the natural atmosphere to be your key light source.
Oh. So the camera don't need a flash then?
I'm not going to say it don't need a flash because there are sometimes that the flash helps to fill the subject and to give you a better image. But I'm saying that we're using natural light. Forget about flash. We want to use our natural light to take. So for example, if I was going to take a picture of you now, I would not put you over there where all the lights are turning this way.
You would put me over here.
I'd put you over here. And that's why the set is over here. So therefore they shoot this way.
Avoid zooming. So I want to stay from here and take Sama. But if I don't zoom, then she's going to just look like a little pin.
So why not walk over to Simone and take the photograph?
I want to take it from here.
Okay, so you can ask the subject to walk closer to you.
So don't
because
zoom.
when you start zoom, then you start to crop in on the sensor, and then you realize that the picture quality start to depreciate.
All right, hold on now. So first thing you say is no light, right? So we go to camera.
Available light.
So we do have no flash on.
Yes.
And I can hit Sim from right there, so. Show me what I will do now. I'd have to just walk. What they need to see it. So
okay. So Simone, 1 second, please. Let's have her model walk on stage.
Why is she involved in it?
Because she's the model.
Yeah.
Simone, we want you over here, please. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you over here.
Yeah, we have to go show it.
Yeah. So that's why we want her. So just imagine Simone is over there.
Yeah, I'm imagining. Well, I don't have to imagine.
Simone, you're going to stand right here.
Yes, sir.
right here.
Yes, sir.
And we're going to take a picture of Simone.
Yeah.
If I zoom in on the image like that,
Yeah.
and I take the photograph, and then I use just by itself, by walking in, when we put it on the screen, we realize that
Sim, that's beautiful.
that the quality of the images
Can I
are going to
stop
be
moving now?
different.
Don't move, Sim.
Oh.
So you take a picture. So there's Simone, you're going to take a picture.
I am going to take a picture. It's not a problem. I mustn't zoom.
Yeah. And let me
Wait,
take,
no,
wait.
Zoom.
All right, cool.
See me did look better looking before, yeah? Look better bit ugly.
It's true, but you have the camera.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
All right, you can relax now, Simone. So I'm going to show you the difference between your image and my image. Do you realize that I place Simone, composition we go back to now, simple thing that people forget every day. Do you realize that I place Simone within the window?
Yeah.
Opposed
framed.
to,
Boss.
look your lines them.
No, it's you. Tell me, must stay from here so I take it. And you say I must zoom.
Wait, no.
Yeah.
Do you want to learn or you want to bad me? Which one of them?
Oh, go GD.
I want to learn,
Go
but I
GD.
want to bad you up same time.
Okay. So the difference is we're talking about composition. So if I was going to take a picture of Simone, it's not, there's no blockage, there's nothing hindering me from walking over there to take my image. Sometimes we just feel like because the camera have a zoom, we can zoom out, and then before you know, the quality is not the same.
What is wrong with that? What is wrong with that?
Because, all right, long story short, if you take this image now, by walking in like this and take the photo, opposed to zooming in, and tomorrow someone saw your picture on Instagram, for example, and they decide, oh, I like that picture of Simone, I want to use it for a billboard. By the time they take it and put it on the computer, because you had zoom in and you crop in on the sensor, your picture pixelate out, so therefore you can't put it on a big board.
Pixelate.
Yeah, so therefore the quality of the camera, the image, you lose the image quality.
All right. Come. Sim, excuse me, we're done with you.
Oh,
So you
no,
can
no,
just,
no.
we'll call you back in 2
Wait,
seconds.
that's something I'll take you now. Go over so you out.
Okay. Where do you? All right, cool.
I want pixelate up the thing. Could you kindly go in the middle so I can get you in the frame?
Thank you. So remember, you're in control.
I am in control, so I want you to stop chat so I can take the picture. Look over, sir. Aye. Yo, the proper do it, yo. Come now and look at me, say, me no pixelate up the thing nice. Show the camera. What is wrong with that now?
It's so you start to improve. However,
yeah.
if you realize the lines them now, so we want to try to work with the lines them.
What that mean, boss?
So therefore, composition. There's a thing called, hold this for me, please. That's why we have a rule of thirds.
Yeah.
Where, okay, so that camera can, whoever Sharpie, whoever marker. And this is something that every camera operator should know. Once you take a, I mean, as a camera operator, but if you're taking a picture, you want to do professional photos. All right. Rule of thirds. So that's your image, 16:9 frame. You want to be able to place your subject in spots that looks nice, opposed to putting the person dead smack in the frame like that. So a lot of people take up phone and they take a picture and they wonder why it don't go viral, why it don't look good, why people don't like it and stuff like that. It has a lot to do with it. Have you ever realized someone taking a picture on the beach? And when you look in the background, you see the water look like this, like it's running out of the screen?
Yeah.
That also in terms of you want to be able to have make sure that your thing looks proper.
Yeah.
What you said?
We have to go, but I want to show you something. My camera, I think we mark live. So when I move it, you're going to see them actually still moving. Are you ready for this? Watch this now. Oh, watch this, man. Hey, watch it. See Simone all that the picture. It take long time. Watch it.
Make we touch one more.
No,
so we talk about.
Have to go.
Okay.
This is beautiful, though.
But yes, because you want to always make sure that there's not too much things in your image to distract you.
That is beautiful.
From.
That's a nice post to Sim. Sim actually make you look good. I make you look good. Look at that.
So I want to take one image of you before you leave.
Quickly look at him, so we have to go. Gareth Daly, Chief Executive Officer of GD Films. I'm going like him, a wicked boy. Hello, Mr. Hurry up and take the picture. We have to go for the thing.
All right,
We'll
cool.
look Simone picture. See Simone picture. Right?
Wait.
Boy, make sure we look good enough.
And I think they can get the image inside there,
Hold
so.
it up. No, sir, I don't like all that. That no nice night, my one.
Where is it?
You know. How Sim look?
And who take the 2 pictures then?
You.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
But it's something that you need to practice, and there are tips on YouTube you can learn and stuff like that, because people
I
actually
want to
make
learn
money.
from you. I don't want to learn from your YouTube.
So therefore you just tell me when you're ready.
Gareth Daly, look, I mean, it's been a long time to break. Gareth Daly, Chief Executive Officer of GD Film, see me here? Long time. Don't move, because we are going for a break. This picture.